Hello, and welcome to another Shuup video. Today, we will discuss GDPR regulation and Shuup multi-vendor platform's compliance with GDPR. First of all, if you're not familiar with the subject, GDPR, or General Data Protection Regulation, is a regulation in EU law on data protection and privacy. You can get acquainted with it on the website gdpr.eu. Here you can find all chapters and provisions regarding the policy. But why does it matter to American and other non-EU businesses? There is no such policy on the territory of the United States of America. However, it might be just a matter of time before we have one, as many US states have begun to legislate such policies locally on their own. So the Congress will eventually legislate on this, and we will have to follow similar rules. Also, if you're going to expand your business to the European Union and European Economic Area, your website will have to be GDPR compliant. A good example of how European GDPR became a model for local American privacy policies is California Consumer Privacy Act. In this video, we will see how Shuup handles GDPR from the backend, how you as a shop administrator can edit it, and how it will look to end users. Let's go to our sandbox. This is our test environment. We are logged in as an administrator, and we can see how GDPR is handled from the backend. We need to go to Settings, GDPR. These are our general GDPR settings. There is our privacy policy page, our login consent text. Up here we have cookie banner text. This is the text a new user will see when they enter your website. This banner is telling people that the website is using cookies and how it is using them. Usually it looks like a pop-up where users need to click OK to accept the privacy policy. Here you can see and edit these texts. And then when a user or a vendor is registering on your website, they have to accept the terms and conditions and privacy policy in order to be able to complete their registration. Next thing we have here is cookie categories. They will be configured by your developer or project manager because this matter is very technical, so you needn't worry about it. Next thing we will do is see how to create these pages. For that, we need to go to Content Editor. Let's go to Content, Pages. Here we can see all pages we have created. And we can create new pages, for example, a privacy policy page if we don't have one. Here we already have a privacy policy and terms and conditions pages. To create new page, we need to click New Page, fill out the information here, and click Save. For the end user, GDPR means that they have access to all their user data. To access your data, you need to go to My Data. Here you can download all your data. Another important thing is anonymizing your account. It's important to protect any private personal information, and then the GDPR regulation will not process this anonymous data. We cannot delete this type of data from the account, but we can make it anonymous. So any private data the users upload can be anonymized. Finally, to be truly compliant with GDPR working with Shuup, you will need to sign our GDPR consent document, which will be provided to you by your project manager. Thank you for watching this video. If you need more information, you can contact us at contact@shuup.com. If you're an existing customer, reach out to your project manager. Visit our website shuup.com or find us on social media. Check out our social media links in the description of the video below.